We are also not very sure or clear about the issue uh, regarding JSK, the film JSK. But from our conversation with the director, what we understand is the CBFC is very keen that the name of the protagonist, that is Janaki, be changed into something else. They have some problem with the connotations of the name Janaki. But the film doesn't have any specific religious reference or allusions, according to the director. So this decision is really disturbing and which is very arbitrary. So we are trying to figure out what exactly is the take of CBFC. We expect that they will furnish a show cause in the Honorable High Court this afternoon. After going through, after a perusal of that document, we will take appropriate steps and address the issue properly. But our collectivity has serious issues with such random takes on films, which is not a stray incident. This is, this keeps happening for the last couple of years. So we need to address this issue at length and speak with the authorities, speak with the government, and our members should have a proper guidelines to rely on. The guidelines, what we have now, are very generalized, and the members can interpret those guidelines at their will. So I think the guidelines should be more focused, specific, and clear. We are planning to plead in the petition to be filed by the producer in the High Court, both FEFCA and the Kerala Film Producers Association. So that is a very symbolic protest. We want to address this issue in the public domain and also initiate a discussion on this in the public domain. So that is a very symbolic protest which is going to happen on Monday. We had a discussion with almost all political parties, and they all feel that this issue was quite unfortunate. So hopefully in the next week or something we can take those discussions forward, and more and more people from different sectors, politics, cultural sphere, writers, activists, they all will join us and address this issue in all its nuances. Yeah, we are thinking about that. But this is too early to say anything about it. Thank you.